I almost want to give it a thumbs down. The beginning, the exposition dragged so much. I kid you not. There was a guy behind me sleeping, snoring throughout the entire movie. There's boring parts, 100%. There's cringy parts with the little teens, yes. But the beginning, like I said, is boring. A lot of the kills that happen, you don't even see. You just see the aftermath. I personally would say skip it. Unless you're like a huge diehard fan and you want to see what happens and the story and what happens, I would recommend it. But even if you're a diehard fan, I think you might find the story boring. And you just want to say, let's go and get to the kills. That's what I think.